What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Metaplanet with the ticker symbol 3350 and MTPLF. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So Metaplanet has been trending down basically since mid to late June, and dropped quite a bit so far. It's a very volatile stock because it's a smaller company. Below the trend line, below the EMA, just basically a single move down. We went up very quickly, and now we're going down basically at the same speed. If it comes back all the way down, that will be right around the 356 yen. If it can bounce at the support level or potential support at the 700 level, then maybe the trend can reverse. We'll see what happens. But as of right now, the downtrend is still in play. It's still very strong. I don't see any reversal signs yet. The trend doesn't look like it's getting any weaker. So there's a good chance that we continue to see downward pressure. MTPLF is approaching a potential reversal zone. $5 was the prior breakout. And now it looks like we're slowly coming back to it. The trend looks still pretty strong to the downside, below the EMA, below the trend line. That doesn't mean we won't see a pullback, but it could be short-lived. So as right now, I think traders are mostly going to be looking for shorts. That is the path of least resistance towards the downside. And I don't really see any signs of weakness in this trend. Technically, this is a fairly strong trend. It's moving at a very consistent angle of attack down, and doesn't look like we have any large pullbacks either. So it's moving at a pretty good pace lower, and we'll see what happens. But like anything, it can reverse any time, and we'll keep an eye on it. Invalidation for the downtrend would be a strong break of the trend line followed by a small pullback. So a strong break of the trend line followed by a small pullback can lead to higher prices. So that would basically invalidate the downtrend. Until then, expect to see lower prices. Let's take a look at the weekly chart, and basically red weeks for a while now, about 6 red weeks in a row. Selling off pretty sharply. Just how fast as we went up is how fast we can go down. Coming right back to the breakout is right around or the initial point where this trend started is right around, sub 400 yen, right around 300 yen. So we'll see if that price can get there. And looking at the log scale, we got below the EMA like we have done previously in these big drops right here and right here. And looks like potentially, I think there's this right at the trend line or right near the trend line. So we'll see if buyers will step in right around this area very shortly. So we'll see what happens for Metaplanet. I think it did reach its measurement target actually as well. So we have one leg up right here, second leg up. Yeah, we did basically reach a long-term measurement target, selling off strongly. So we'll see what happens. I'd say the sellers are still in control of the market until we see, something very different, some very large shift in momentum towards the upside. So all I have for Metaplanet on the daily and weekly charts is a Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.